So the reason why I've got into the full potential of mind is that I needed clarity and direction with where I wanted to take my intentions. Now, ever since leaving school, we all used to think it's the best thing ever. No structure, no guidance, and no clear direction. But unfortunately, we can all get lost in the fact of just living day to day, habitually, and not actually living with a purpose. I feel like with the full potential in mind, it's going to help me create clarity and vision in the direction which I need to move forward to have a successful business and a successful life. At the same time, it's going to help me establish a plan, goals, and achievements that I want to unlock as I progress forward. For me, my weakness is organisation, communication, marketing, and discipline. And I feel like the full potential of mind is going to help me identify these weaknesses, play a big role in improving these weaknesses, and give me the life that I desire.
So Mitch, tell us a bit about you. Tell us who you are.
So my name is Mitchell Waters and I'm a biomechanics specialist and I own Essex Biomechanics.
So Mitch, tell us a bit about your backstory and where you was in your life before coming on to the Full Potential of Mind program.
So before coming on to the Full Potential of Mind program, I struggled a lot with depression. I didn't really have much clarity. I had poor mindset and poor mental health.
Amazing. So tell us what you wanted, like what was your desire?
So my desire, more specifically from the program, was to develop a better plan moving forward to improve my mental health, improve my discipline, and actually give me a lot more clarity to where I wanted to go and how to get there.
So what was your external struggles? What were the things you were dealing with externally in the world?
So the external struggles that I had to deal with was people telling me that I couldn't do it, was bad habits, even family members really putting us down. From that, I kind of really disheartened me.
Yeah, so what internal struggles were you dealing with then?
Internally, I was dealing with the number one enemy, which is ourselves. I struggled a lot, telling myself that I couldn't achieve much. I went back to old habits and it really, really got me down.
So what was the biggest problem you faced, like trying to pursue this journey of transformation?
I think the biggest problem that I faced trying to pursue this journey was trusting myself, trusting my mindset and believing that I could make my life better and it was in my power to do so.
Amazing. So what was the opportunity that you found with Full Potential of Mind?
With the opportunity of the Full Potential of Mind, I found that it gave me so much clarity and vision with a clear plan and purpose to move forward with. It helped me establish better habits and also helped me establish better progress. I felt like I could actually see the progress as well as plan it out.
Okay, great. So what was the plan that you developed?
So the plan that I developed initially was I had to understand where my weaknesses were. I had to understand what habits served my purpose and what habits didn't serve my purpose. From there, I was able to develop a clear vision and develop on the areas that I wasn't necessarily strong in.
So what was the biggest conflict you'd say trying to develop this plan and get you to where you wanted to be?
I think the biggest conflict that we all faced was, again, our mental health, was the old person in us telling us that we couldn't do it. The old person in us telling us that we couldn't push that one step further. But just 1% every day honestly helped make it a better vision.
So what was the achievement that you found doing the Full Potential of Mind program?
So the achievement that I found from doing the Full Potential of Mind program was that it helped improve my confidence, my mental health and my ability. I was able to trust myself again and I was able to put a plan into progress where I could progress forward.
So tell us, like, what was your transformation then from like where you was to where you are now?
The transformation from where I was to where I am now was I initially didn't have a vision of what I wanted to do. I didn't know what door to open, what door to close. From that, I developed a clear understanding of which door would serve my best purpose in order to progress moving forward and also become the best person that I could be.
Amazing. Thank you, Mitch.